Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you my workshop man cave style bathroom. And so this is in the corner of my shop. We have storage above it. The room itself is 6 feet by 4 feet outside dimensions. Okay, so we have a outside door because this bathroom is heated, but the rest of my shop isn't heated full time, but the bathroom is heated full time. It has water run from the house, and it ties into the house sewage as well. All right. This is a vinyl click flooring, and we have a little tiny baseboard heater. Then we have the toilet here, and you can see that water line here. I ran that on the inside so it wouldn't freeze. And that goes to one of these frost-free hydrants to my hot tub, so I can fill the hot tub. Thermostat on the back wall. The way they had this room sort of designed before I got here, they had this little half wall here. I'm not sure why, but I've insulated it more. So I've got a little shelf on top of that, so I keep toilet paper on top of that and probably a few more things later on. If you go up the wall here, you see I have a tool cabinet in the bathroom. Why do I have a tool cabinet in the bathroom? Well, because I can store things that I don't want to freeze, like my ABS cement, PVC cement, my glue, plumber's putty, spray foam insulation, things like that. Anyway, so it makes a nice little spot. I have space over top of it, and you can see I could put some stuff on top of that cabinet, and then I have cram molding along the top. So the toilet paper holder I made out of galvanized pipe, and that's what it looks like. And then the towel holder, again, galvanized pipe. The sink, okay, the sink here, I know it's really hard to see because it's a really tiny little room. This is the smallest sink that you can get. This one came with a base. So that's my sink. This little single lever faucet. You can barely wash your hands in it. Then for the backsplash, I used the flooring as well. And then I bought these soap dispensers, so I got scrubby soap there and regular soap because you're in a shop. And then we move up the wall. I have a round mirror had lying around. That was an extra mirror. So the mirror, I wrapped a serpentine belt around it and one of the pulleys from Civic. And then the light, I modified the light so it has a Civic engine cover from an SI, and it has a Fram oil filtered lights. That's really the front, what it looks like when you walk in. So yeah, that's it. That's my man cave bathroom. I'll put in some pictures and some descriptions of the construction side of it, what I did to make this all happen. And this is right in my shop, which is my shop is separate from the house, and then my pool is right beside the workshop. So this way people can come into the shop and use the bathroom right beside the pool. It's really convenient, and you don't have wet, drippy feet in and out of the house. And yeah, anyway, so yeah, this room is super insulated. It's got a little tiny electric heater on it. Anyway, I only keep it about 12 degrees C, and it's just warm enough to use, right? It's comfortable to use when you come out to the shop. Yeah, and it's a great place. You wash your hands, get all the grime off your hands. The backsplash is easy to wipe down. The flooring is easy to wipe down. When you traipse dirt and stuff into here, it's really easy to take care of. And then to round it out, we have the steel insulated exterior door. So the ceiling height in the bathroom was too short, so we had to increase the height, reframe it, redo all the electrical. Like, you could have hit that light with your head, it was so low. Then after we reframed it, we obviously had to reskin it and frame out a wider spot for the door. So we had to cut some 2x6s back and then put the new frame around it and reskin all the way around that. Then after that was done, we painted everything the garage colors to make it look decent. Then we redid the plumbing and insulated it, and finished the insulation here. And then we added our drywall and did all the sanding, which was lots of fun. Obviously, we've got flooring in now, trim, baseboard, baseboard heater, electric heater. And then we added a backsplash using the flooring around the sink. There's the thermostat, which obviously isn't at 30 degrees, but you have to test it. So it was hot out that day. We added the toilet and the toilet paper holder we made out of galvanized pipe, and also the towel holder to match, galvanized pipe. Then we were prepping for electrical for the light fixture, and there's our homemade light fixture using an engine cover and some oil filters. And then we added some soap dispensers that I got off Amazon. Here's an old mirror that we repurposed, and we added a pulley and serpentine belt. All right, that's it. That's my video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.